ROSLEE. My name is EZANLEE. My name is AYOB.
My name is FARISHA. My name is AISYAH HUMAIRA.
And we are from L2A. So today, we would like to share to you guys our assignment for Engineering Mathematics 2 DUM20132. And this assignment will conclude about our chapter 1, which is matrix. Stay tuned!
So, in this topic, we will learn about matrices, which is what is matrices. Matrices is a way of arranging numbers in form of rows and columns, and it is commonly used in mathematics and also engineering to solve problems in data sheets. So, for this topic, we will learn how to use and understand the concept of basic matrices.
Hi everyone, I will explain for question 1A, B and C. Right, so for question A, we need to express the sales data for each branch in matrix form. Okay, if you look in the question, they already gave us the branch, which are Puncak Alam, Shah Alam and City Alam, and they also gave us the type of coffee, which are latte, hazelnut and matcha. Okay, so let's this data equal to S, and we need to represent the branches as the row and the coffee type as a column, and then just put the value into the matrix form like this. So for the first row is represent the Puncak Alam, which are 9, 10 and 14. The second row is for Shah Alam, which are 16, 12 and 8. And the last row, the third row is for City Alam, which are 15, 9 and 10. Okay, so that's the answer for question A. For question B, we need to write the production cost of each branch in matrix form. Okay, so if you look in the question, they already gave us the production cost for each type of coffee. So to find the cost of each branch, we just need to multiply the sales data with the cost of each type of coffee. Okay, so we write it like this. The next step, we need to know the rule for multiplying matrix. We just need to multiply the row with the column, and then we will got it like this. 9 multiplied by 5, 10 multiplied with 10, and 14 multiplied with 8. And then we just need to add them all together. And this method, we need to repeat the same method for the second row and the third row. Okay, so we will got the answer like this. Okay, so the first row is for Puncak Alam, which is 257. The second row is for Shah Alam, which are 264, and the third row is for City Alam, which is 245. Okay, since they require us to write in the matrix form, just leave your answer like this. Okay, so for the last question, last for me, we need to write the order for branch and price matrix. Okay, so for branch matrix, we have 3 row and 3 column. So the order for branch is 3 by 3. For the price matrix, we have 3 row and 1 column. So the order is 3 by 1. Okay, that's all.
Okay, hi everyone. So, for the next question, for question 2, question 1 is, we have to calculate the total profit for each branch. So, firstly, we have to calculate the profit per unit, or the profit per drinks that they sell. So, we all know that they sell 3 types of drinks, which is latte, hazelnut, and matcha. So, we can calculate it by using the formula of selling price subtracted by cost price. So, we will get the profit for each drink. And then, we will transfer the profit per unit into matrix form, like this. And we will let it to be P. So, the total profit is S multiplied by P, where S is the sales data, this one, and P is the profit that we get earlier. So, 9 times 5 plus 10 times 5 plus 14 times 4. And we will do it for each row again and again. We will get the final answer. Puncak alam, we get 151 ringgit. Shah alam, we get 172 ringgit. And Setia alam, 160 ringgit. After that, the question asks, if mad guests want to increase the sales, which coffee shop brand should we promote more? State one reason. So, in my opinion, in our opinion, mad guests should promote Puncak Alam more because it currently generates the lowest total profit, which is 151 compared to other branches, indicating the most room for more improvements. And the last question for question 1, which is question F. The question asks about suggesting 2 strategies that can be implemented to increase the sales of the lowest sales branch. So as we know, Puncak Alam has the lowest sales. So the first way that they can do to promote, they can offer a student discount since it is located near UITM. Offering a student discount can attract more customers and especially students. Other than that, they can also create a product bundling such as morning sets that include certain products like latte and pastry to increase the average spend per customer.
So now, let's move on to our question 2, which is 3 students went to hardware store to buy some components for their mini project. Purchase information has been stated in the table given. Find the price for each component using Cramer's rule. Okay, before that, we will look forward to our question, which is we have 3 students over here, Abu, Ali, and Amir. And we have 3 components that they will buy, which is LED, resistor, and transistor. Okay, so we use the common concept for mathematics in matrices or linear. So we let these components into variables, which is we let LED into L and resistor as R and transistor as T. So as we can see here, Abu has 3 LED, 2 resistor and 2 transistor. So we can make an equation which is Abu equals to 3L, which is LED, and 2R, 2 resistor, and 2T, which is 2 transistor. So the same goes on for Ali and Amir. So I will write here as in the equation, Ali got 2L plus 3R and plus 1 transistor, which is T. And we move forward to Amir, which is Amir equals to 5L plus 6R and plus 4T for the transistor. So after we finish all the equations for each person, we can move on to the Cramer's rule. That's it.
So, for question 2b, show the solution for the problem in A using Cramer's rule. So, first thing first, we need to substitute or represent L equal to LED, R equal to resistor, and T equal to transistor. So, based on the table given, we can create 3 mathematical equations. So, the first equation is 3L plus 2R plus 2T equal to 8. Equation 2, 2L plus 3R plus 3 plus T equal to 5.5. And the third equation is 5L plus 6R plus 4D equal to 60. So, from the 3 equations, we can transform the equation into the matrix form like this. So, and then we can find the determinant D. So, to find the determinant D, we need to calculate 3 times 3 times 4 minus 6 times 1. And then we get this. Minus 2 times 4 minus 5 times 1. And we get this. Plus 2 times 2 times 6 minus 5 times 3. And then we need to calculate all this. We got the answer for determinant D is 6. And then we can find the determinant for DL. Before that, we need to transform the matrix. We need to transform or present the matrix L like this. Then we find the determinant for DL. We use the same method to find the determinant DL, and we got the answer 6. So, to find the value of L or the value of LED, we can calculate using the formula X equal to dx divided by D, which is 6 divided by 6, and we got 1, which is the answer for LED is RM1. That's all.
Next, we find the price of resistor. To find the price of resistor, we need to find the matrix R, like this. Then, we find the determinant of R. We close the first column and first row, and we get 5.5 times 4 equal to 22, and 16 times 1 equal to 16. And then, we close the second column and we get 2 times 4 equal to 8, and 5 times 1 equal to 5. And the last one, we close the third column and we get 2 times 16 equal to 32, and 5.5 times 5 equal to 27.5. And then we calculate, we get 3. So we just divide by 6, and the price of resistor we get 50 cents. And then for matrix T, we use the same method just before, and we find the determinant of T, and then we calculate and we get 12. So we divide by 6, and the price of transistor is 2 ringgit. At the end of this assignment, we can conclude that matrices play an important role in engineering mathematics, as they provide an efficient and systematic way to represent and solve complex mathematical problems. Through this assignment, we can learn the basic concept of matrices, such as type of matrix, matrix operation, determinant, and the use of matrices in solving simultaneous equations. This concept helps to simplify calculation and make the problem solving more organized and accurate. That's all from us. Thank you. Bye.